it's Alkin Sarah here, and in this video we're going to show you how to use Vision to interact with the Polygon blockchain. Firstly, your wallet. If you tap on Receive Assets, you can search for Polygon or MATIC, and there you will see your wallet address. The token is supported on other blockchains, but we want to select the Polygon token address. Now you will see your address where you can receive Polygon chain assets and you can send to other wallets. If you tap on the logo, that will take you to the market overview. There you can find loads of information about Polygon and MATIC. Next, if you go to the Decentralized Apps tab, you can simply go to your favorite DApp built on Polygon and connect to your wallet. Here we will use Value Exchange as an example. Connect your wallet and be sure to switch to Polygon at the top right. Once connected, you can interact with your wallet. Now we will move on to the inbuilt decentralized exchange in Vision. Simply select Polygon and then select the two assets you want to swap. First approve the token, then press swap, and that's it. As soon as the transaction is confirmed, your swap is complete. It's that simple to begin exploring the Polygon blockchain on Vision. As we said, we have a lot of things coming up in 2022, and integration of Polygon MATIC was one of the goals we aim to achieve in 2022. There is a lot more coming, as well as amazing gear that we have. So if you guys are interested, make sure to download the app from the App Store and Google Store. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, Vision, Bar, or Dave. Thank you all. Have a great day. Bye bye.